The first three things we always look at when a child is snoring is tonsils, adenoids, and jaw size. So first, let's talk about tonsils and adenoids. If they're huge and blocking the airway, having them removed can significantly reduce snoring and improve oxygen flow. But if the nasal structure and the jaw are also restricted, snoring can return as they get older. Think of this like a first step, not the finish line for many kids. So what can be done about jaw size? Well, this is actually my direct specialty, and the answer is maxillary expansion. Expanding the upper jaw makes more space in the nasal cavity because the roof of the mouth and the floor of the nose actually share the same bone. With expansion, the jaw also moves slightly downward and forward, taking the tonsils and the tonsillar pillars with it. In some cases, just expanding the jaw leads to enough improvement that the tonsils and adenoids shrink on their own over time, and you might even be able to avoid surgery altogether.